सो हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। मैं संतोषी नौटियाल एग्रीकल्चर गैलेक्सी टीम की तरफ से आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत करती हूँ। डेली अपडेट्स के लिए आप हमें फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पर फॉलो कर सकते हैं और साथ ही हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है किचन गार्डनिंग, जिसमें हम आपको बताएंगे व्हाट इज किचन गार्डन, व्हाई टू अडॉप्ट किचन गार्डन, बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड किचन गार्डन आइडियाज। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं और सबसे पहले जानते हैं व्हाट इज किचन गार्डन। Kitchen garden is said to be a garden which is present within the house boundaries. This type of garden is generally used to grow vegetables, fruits and other things like herbs and many more essential things. Kitchen garden is also known by the name of potager. It is basically the miniature version of big land where vegetables and fruits are grown. The best thing about kitchen garden is that it does not need too much land or space. Kitchen gardening can easily be done by any person within a short period of time. तो आइए अब जानते हैं why to adopt kitchen gardening. There are many people who does not understand the concept of kitchen garden as they are still unaware of benefits and importance of it. So there I will tell you some points why we should adopt kitchen gardening. So first, healthy. In a kitchen garden, a person can grow vegetables without using chemical fertilizers and pesticides and can eat organic and stay healthy. Second, cheap. Kitchen gardening is not an expensive thing to do. You just need small place to grow vegetables, etc. If one does not have land, then he can grow things in anything which could have some space. Third, relaxant. According to some facts, it is said that gardening is one of the best stress buster activity to do. It helps in relaxing the person's mind and give a positive vibe and good energy. Fourth, profit. Gardening can be more than just a hobby. You can grow vegetables organically and earn profit by selling them. So these were some reasons why we should adopt kitchen gardening. So now, let's know some basic requirements about kitchen garden. First requirement is land. Not too much space is needed to have a kitchen garden. A person can grow plants in a small piece of land or balconies, terrace, window sides or pots or containers, or any empty space where sunlight can reach easily. Second requirement is soil type. Soil should be the right mixture of nutrition. We can find good quality soil from nearby nursery, and by adding some homemade compost and manure, it can be more fertile. Third requirement is seed quality. You can get seed from the local market or from the shops which sells variety of seeds. Another option to grow plants from the food or vegetables you have purchased at the grocery store. Fourth and the last requirement is watering. Watering a plant is most important thing according to the type of plant you are growing. Some plants need more water, some need less. In summer season, watering a plant twice or thrice a day is very beneficial for its growth. Now let's know some kitchen garden ideas. First idea is the container or pot garden. Second idea is in-ground garden bed. Third idea is the raised bed garden. And the fourth idea is the window box garden. So let's start and study the kitchen garden ideas. Less investment, more profit. Grow organic, earn organic. So idea 1 is the container or pot garden. It is the best and easy way to start if you have a limited space. You may have to face a trial and error period, but ultimately it's worth it. What we need: containers or mud pots, gardening soil, hand rake or tiller, seeds, water and compost. How much it cost? Cost would range anywhere from rupees 300 to rupees 5,000, while seeds and hand rakes would generally range in price from up to rupees 500 to rupees 1,000 approximately. What can we grow? Tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, turnips, green onions, lettuce. So, idea 2 is in-ground garden bed. If you have got good soil, then the in-ground garden bed are often a really economical choice. An in-ground garden of 500 square feet, or size can vary according to the requirements and availability, is enough to feed a family of 4 for at least 8 months, or can be shared to sell your neighbors or in a small area. What we need. You will need a hand tiller, seeds, compost, trellis, and a little fence of stones or wood to prevent ground runoff, especially after heavy rain. How much it cost? The cost depends on the size of garden you require. If you are initially setting up, it can approximately cost you up to Rs 5,000 to Rs 10,000. What can we grow? Cabbage, corn, pumpkins, squash, and eggplant. So, idea 3 is the raised bed garden. The raised bed garden gives you more space for growing plants or for experiment, and it will offer you high yields. This type of garden is good for slightly large spaces, and it can be a good alternative to the in-ground garden bed. What we need. Pre-made beds are costly. You can make it at home. You will need cedar boards, a couple of layers of newspapers, topsoil, peat moss, compost, gardening clips, hand tiller, seeds, and water. How much it costs? The cost depends on the size of garden you require. If you are initially setting up, it can approximately cost you up to Rs 5,000 to Rs 10,000. What can we grow? Rhubarb, asparagus, beans, broccoli, Brussels, and spinach. So, the next idea is the window box garden. Even if you live in an apartment or in a house with no available space, you can still try your hand at gardening with a window box garden. What we need. All you need is a window box or hanging box which should be placed near with which receive a maximum amount of sunlight, garden soil, seeds, and water. How much it costs? A window box garden is most effective to grow herbs and vegetables. A basic cedar planter, soil, and seeds would cost you approximately $50. What can we grow? Lettuce, spinach, carrots, tubers, and tomatoes. तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. Thanks for watching. Daily updates के लिए do follow on Instagram and FB. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.